Hello and welcome everyone to a very special video, where today we'll be talking about the new Libraesva email archiver. I'm going to run through a full demonstration of the product, highlighting a few of the best technical features. I'll also refrain from going into too much depth at this time so we can focus on the detail in other videos. Without further ado, let's get started. The Libraesva archiver is our brand new email archiving platform, available in the cloud or on-premise. Here we can see the dashboard of the archiver's web portal, where you can manage the system and change the dashboard layout. The email archiver is mail server agnostic, meaning we don't care where we get email from. However, we have direct and native integrations into Office 365 and Exchange, allowing you to pull all data from these sources easily and over time with no management needed whatsoever. The system was built with rapid e-discovery and privacy compliance in mind, allowing you to search all of your tenants or your own email in seconds. If the tenant you want to look at is protected by a dedicated privacy functions, such as the Privacy Manager, you'll need to reach out to them and receive the 6-digit code. This gives you access to that archive for 15 minutes. All of your actions will be logged and sent to that Privacy Manager when the session is done. Next, let's talk about the searching. Not only is it fast, it can become quite complex if you need it to be. You can also save all of these searches and share them with other users. A good use case for this would be sharing sensitive archive data for legal reasons with your legal team, but also not wanting to overwhelm them with data that doesn't quite pertain to the task at hand. Next, let's talk about data and storage. The archiver separates data up into volumes. You can customize exactly where all your archive data is stored, on S3, FTP servers, locally, or even on a Windows file store. You can create carbon copies and back up everything to 2 data stores or more. You can import and export PSTs and email data free of charge in the Libraesva cloud, and it's made very easy by selecting import and export volumes. You can also manually import single PSTs at the same time. The system comes with full GDPR compliant role control for configuring custom roles for users, an Outlook add-in, a mobile companion app, certified timestamps signing every email described in RFC 3161, and full white labeling features. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in some of our future videos where we go more in depth into the different features and aspects of the archiver. So thank you again, and I will talk to you soon.